How to access Telegram Cloud? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Telegram application on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. Then you'll reach on this feed. So select continue button and access all of your permissions on Telegram. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner. Now from the side menu, select save messages. So this is your Telegram cloud storage. You can easily forward messages, files, or media to saved messages for storage. You can access your stored content from any device. So you can come back to this page and then you can open any of your group or channel where you have photos or videos, and you can easily tap on the share button at bottom of your screen and then tap on the save messages and send to the save messages section. When you check the saved messages, here you got the forwarded video, photos, or any link. So you can use the Telegram search bar to locate the saved messages, photos, or files instantly. So that's it. Now you know how to access Telegram cloud storage. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.